Hello everyone. So new financial year is coming and obviously the new document series will get changed. So on TranZact, how you can use our document reset type and automatically your series will get changed and the document number will get reset on every financial year and calendar year. So in this particular video, I will brief you that how you can add a new document series with the reset and how you can apply reset type on existing document series. So first of all, we need to go in settings module. On your left hand side, you will see settings module option. Please click on this. Now, once you will come in settings module, here you will get documents option. Click on documents. Now, going below, you will get an option of document number format. Click on this. Now, so here all the document number format which you have set up for multiple documents like for your PO, for your inward, for your sales invoice, these are provided. So in this particular segment, you can add a new series. So how you can add a new series with document format? So on your right hand side, here is an option of add new series. Click on this. Now you can go ahead and provide a new series like I can go ahead and provide for export invoice, export INV. How I can go ahead and set up the custom format. So right hand side, please check here is the show custom format. Going below, you need to select the financial year, calendar year as per your requirement. So here I want to show financial year 1, financial year 2 and then the number. How I can show it? Copy financial year P1, then paste it here. Now I will copy financial year P2, then paste it here, and accordingly I will go ahead and just put I will go ahead and just put the next number here. Okay, now how you can set up the reset duration. Here you will get the reset duration, select this, and you will get financial year. I selected the financial year and I will go ahead and save this particular format. Now in each and every financial year, the series, the number will get auto updated. How you can make the changes and put a reset type on your existing document number format. So let me show you. So this is my PO series. Here you can see that I have just provided a normal PO series here. I want to put a reset type in this particular format. How I can do so? Here is the three dot. Click on this. You will get an option of edit. Click on edit. Now, after this, you need to add the custom format in this in order to enable the reset type. Click on show custom format. Going below, I can select the financial year which I want to show. So I selected financial year P2, copied it. Then after I will put a hyphen. Now please check. Here is the financial year P2. Then after the next number, and I will click the reset type is financial year. I will go ahead and click on save. Now on 1st of April, this particular document series will auto get reset and the number will be 001 or 0001 as per the setting. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you in order to go ahead and add a new document series as per the financial year reset and in order to update any document series, existing document series with the financial year reset. Have a good day.